For Caterpillar dealers, beyond routine service, there's a major profit opportunity in the volume of components that can be salvaged and rebuilt. Jimmy Castro, a mechanical engineer with over 30 years of direct experience with Caterpillar dealers, identified this hidden potential for machine shops. That deep, hands-on experience led him to establish C&A Six Sigma Corporation. They offer specialized and complementary services to enhance the excellent guidelines Caterpillar provides. To support CAT dealers to develop and improve machine shop operations, C&A Six Sigma helps machine shop owners like you optimize processes to capture this specific, lucrative market. Their decades of global experience show 95% of worn parts can be salvaged. C&A Six Sigma's in-depth market studies reveal that focusing on core machines like off-highway trucks, track-type tractors, and excavators in mining means you can capture an astonishing 98% of the overall market opportunity. They've done the calculations. A typical 800 equipment mining operation presents 8,400 main components, with 43,000 main parts showing high salvage potential. Add another 97,000 minor subcomponents, and you have a staggering 140,000 parts population that your machine shop could service. We have experience with over 1 million parts that have gone through the rebuilding process. This is the true scale of the opportunity for your business. This is a huge profit center for your dealership. Machine shop operational profit can exceed 45%, while customers save significantly, and buyers realize over 75% in savings. This isn't just potential, it's profit waiting to happen. Based on the market study of the client's potential machine fleet, the workshop is configured and the ideal machines are selected to serve that market. With C&A Six Sigma's guidance, your return on investment can be just 2 to 3 years, or even less. C&A Six Sigma operates globally and is ready to support any Caterpillar dealer. Their focus for machine shops includes quality, consistency, reliability, productivity, sustainability, effectiveness, cost control, savings, high profit, and short ROI. They guide your dealership through every step, from selecting machinery, machining, welding, arc spray, grinding, HVOF, laser cladding, to team training and strategic advisory. They also assist with manufacturer negotiations, post-sale support, technical assistance, and upskilling your current workforce. Jimmy, a Six Sigma black belt, recommends measuring everything through a thorough evaluation using the FMEA matrix and applying methodologies like DMAIC and Lean to ensure expected results. Technology is evolving rapidly. Don't be left behind. Partner with C&A Six Sigma. Let us help you unlock the immense profit potential within your Caterpillar dealer machine shop.